Alright, after you've added new dealers to your database, whether you did an import or did them individually, it's a good idea to check them to make sure they have geocoded properly. Xtreme Locator has a fairly simple way to do this. First, we go to the Location Manager. And then next, well, I've already scrolled down here, but if you scroll down, you can show up to 200 records per page, so I suggest you do that. Let's go back to the top. Now we want to look at the Geocoding Level column. And the values here will be street, which is the ideal level, which is geocoded down to the street address. Zip, which means that the street address may be wrong or invalid and should be checked. City, again, indicates the geocoder did not recognize the street and or the zip code and should be checked again. It could be zip partial, and that indicates used for Canadian locations, that indicates only a partial zip code was entered. Not available will display for accounts that were geocoded prior to the addition of this feature in Xtreme Locator, and that only indicates that the level has not been checked. Unknown and none will indicate no geocoding has been done, and the complete address should be double checked. So basically, for the USA and Canada locations, the geocoding level should be street, and if it's not, you should check and confirm the dealer's address. So now let's scroll down through and see what this looks like. So we're going down here through, and we've got street level, we've got not available. Again, that indicates that address has been geocoded before, and it's in the geocode cache, so it's not able to check the validity of that address. Now here we have one is none, and it hasn't been geocoded based on that X in that box. So let's look at the record here, and we have an invalid zip code there. So this is for double D, so because it's in Massachusetts, that should have a 0 in the zip code, so we're going to go in there and add that 0 in front of the zip code and save it. Let's see, we'll look at that. That's double D's. So now let's look for them and see if they geocoded. There's double D's. It has been geocoded to the street level. So again, what you want to do is look at this column, and if you have anything other than street, it bears some additional checking.